welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Have you ever tried uploading a PDF, DOCX, CSV or even an image to ChatGPT only to have it fail? It's frustrating, but the good news is that most file upload errors have simple fixes, because in this guide, I'll show you the most common reasons files fail to upload and how to fix each one safely. First, we gotta check the size of the file. ChatGPT can handle files up to a certain limit. Large PDFs, spreadsheets, or high-resolution images can be rejected even if everything else is fine. If your file is too big, here's what you can do. You can split it into smaller parts or compress the file. Even reducing your file by a few megabytes can make the difference between failure and success. Now, let's ensure the file isn't corrupted. Make sure the file isn't damaged, because files can sometimes appear fine on your computer but still have hidden issues that prevent ChatGPT from reading them. To fix this, open the file in its native program, like Word or Excel. Resave the file under a new name. This often clears hidden errors. For PDFs, exporting them again as a fresh PDF can remove minor issues that prevent uploads. A file that fails repeatedly usually becomes readable after a simple resave. Now let's check file format compatibility, because not all formats are supported. ChatGPT works best with PDF, TXT, DOCX, CSV, certain images like JPG or PNG. Files like ODT, PPTX, or HEIC are uncommon image formats and may fail to upload. If your file isn't supported, export it to PDF or TXT. For example, if you have a presentation in PPTX that won't upload, simply save as PDF and try again. Most users find this fixes the problem immediately. Now, if not, let's rename your file. Sometimes the issue isn't the content but the file name. ChatGPT may reject files with very long names, special characters or emojis in the name. Rename the file with only letters, numbers, and dashes. Browser issues can also cause uploads to fail, so let's try a different browser or device. Extensions, cache problems, or even browser updates might prevent ChatGPT from reading your file. If your upload keeps failing, try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Clear your cache and cookies before retrying, and if possible, try uploading from another device. Often switching browsers or devices solves problems that seem like they're caused by the file itself. Now, if your file is still failing, the next step is to simplify it by re-exporting to a simpler format. For PDFs, export them as fresh PDF using your software's export function. For Word or Excel files, save a copy as DOCX or CSV, and for images, convert them to JPG or PNG at standard resolution. Simpler files are easier for ChatGPT to read and dramatically reduce upload errors. Sometimes converting a complex DOCX into an image and a table to a clean PDF or TXT file is all you need. Now, after following these steps, try uploading again. In many cases, just resaving or simplifying the file makes ChatGPT accept it on the first try. If it still doesn't work, go through each step again. Most upload errors are caused by a combination of small issues like size, format, or naming. And that's how to fix most ChatGPT upload errors. Just follow these steps and your files should work every time. And now you'll know exactly what to do when it happens. If none of these steps helped you out, please leave a comment with the error message that you receive from ChatGPT and I can try to help you out. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next video.